Hello everybody, welcome back. Now we are in the next step of the Hilux project. It is only 1 week to go until our master of disaster. I think Viggan must be ready with everything on the Hilux beside the front bumper and the back bumper. And the story about the back bumpers and front bumpers is one of a kind. We are waiting to have them sent directly to us from Australia, but they have been lost along the way, so major headache. We will make it to Allrad, I'm sure of that. So to take you through what we have done since last time you saw me, we have been at the paint shop and picked up and left some stuff, and we want everything to be really nice looking. So we have painted the rooftop cage, we have painted all the back, so all details are painted in our special black color, as same as we have chosen a unique color for the Hilux itself. We thought to give you a nice view. We have chosen to have Siberia signal road, the longest one, on top of the roof. To give a nice view, you will get a super nice beam on way over 500 meters with 1 lux and a good width. I would say on the 250-300 meters you will have a 100 meter wide beam. And just to make it a little bit more sexier, we have the position light from the Siberia, which is both white and amber. Now we have decided to put the 40-inch or 42-inch Siberia here on the sides to collaborate with this, so you will have a continuous line of position light. This will be awesome. On the back here we have chosen to put on our new Siberia multiple option, which is a great lamp, has many different features. They have indicator, they have brake, they have reverse light, they have warning light. So this product fits perfect for this type of setup. As you see, they are nice, a 6.7 inch, easy to mount either with the built-in function or the bracket, which is turnable 180 degrees. It will give you nice opportunities to fix it, neither less if it's a roof cage, bar, truck, whatever you need. Join us, see what we do, and please comment below if you believe that Viggan is gonna make it. But we must make it because we need to leave, is it the 3rd or the 4th? 3rd or the 4th of June to be able to make it to Allrad. Follow us for more content on our YouTube channel.